You ever open your banking app and just freeze for a second? That moment when the screen loads and you're praying it's not below 30 bucks again. It's not even shock anymore. It's routine. You just sigh like, welp, here we go again. And the crazy part, you're not even out here being reckless. You work, you pay your bills. You're not buying yachts, but somehow your money evaporates faster than your paycheck hits. You start wondering, bro, is adulting just constant financial anxiety? We were told the formula: go to college, get a job, be responsible, and life will be fine. But nobody mentioned how one flat tire, one broken laptop, or one dumber visit could wipe out your whole month. Like, why does adult life come with boss fight level expenses? And look, it's not because you're lazy, you're not irresponsible. You're just trying to breathe financially. But without a safety net, one bad day can turn into debt that lasts years. That's not living. That's survival mode. Hey guys, I'm John. Welcome back to Cash Plan with John, where we make money talk human again. Your journey to financial freedom starts here. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and join our crew. This video is for educational purposes only. I'm not your financial advisor. Today, I'll walk you through how to build your emergency fund fast. Stick around. You'll leave knowing exactly what to do next. Grab your coffee, open your notes. Let's make financial peace happen. Let's be real. An emergency fund isn't about being responsible. It's about straight-up survival power. Life doesn't warn you before it throws a punch. The question is, will you take the hit, or will you block it with cash? Here's the truth: minus 56% of Americans can't handle a $1,000 emergency. That means one bad day could wipe out half the country instantly. Don't be in that statistic. Be the exception. A single hospital visit can cost $1,200, enough to wreck your rent, your plans, your whole month. One emergency shouldn't decide your future. Your money should. Imagine this instead. Your car breaks down and you don't panic. You just swipe your emergency fund and move on with your day. That's not just money. That's peace of mind on demand. Let's be real. Most of us don't save because we don't even know what we're aiming for. You can't hit a target you never define. So today, we're not guessing. We're getting crystal clear on your emergency number. You don't need to start with 6 months of savings. Chill. First goal: just $500. That's not retirement money. It's life didn't just slap me in the face money. It's your first shield against chaos. Once you hit 500, level up to 1,000. That's when you stop worrying about flat tires or surprise doctor bills. That's when life's punches start feeling a little softer. And when you finally stack 3 to 6 months of expenses, that's not just money, that's freedom. That's waking up knowing life can swing and you won't fall. That's peace in your pocket. Let's be real. If you have to manually move money into savings, you won't. Life gets busy. Distractions happen, and that "I'll do it later" turns into never. Automation is how you protect yourself from your future laziness. Start simple. Set an automatic transfer of just 25 to 50 bucks a week. That's literally less than what most guys drop on takeout or random Amazon buys. Do that for a year, and boom, you've got $1,300 to $2,600 without even noticing. Imagine waking up a year from now and realizing you've got a cushion, and you didn't even feel the grind. No stress, no sacrifice, just smart systems doing the work. That's quiet stability. Everyone flexes about how much they make, but the real flex is how much you keep. Quiet savings beats loud spending every time. Like Joe Biden said, "Don't tell me what you value. Show me your budget." Look, I'm not saying you have to cancel Joy. I'm just saying maybe your money doesn't need to fund 5 streaming platforms at once. $60 a month feels harmless until you realize that's $700 a year just evaporating. That's half an emergency fund right there. Same thing with takeout lunches. $10 here and there feels like nothing, but $200 a month is $2,000 for $100 a year. That's literally a mini vacation or a safety net just waiting to happen. Cutting back for a season isn't punishment. It's strategy. You're not saying no forever. You're just saying not right now, because every dollar you save today is one less panic attack tomorrow. Most people keep telling themselves, I'll save when I make more. But when more money comes, lifestyle creep follows. The goal isn't to wait for the perfect moment. The goal is to take control now. Like Dave Ramsey says, a budget tells your money where to go instead of wondering where it went. Look, you've got money lying around. It's just wearing a disguise. Those old sneakers, that extra monitor, the guitar you swore you'd learn, they're not stuff. They're dollar bills collecting dust. List 5 things you haven't used in 6 months. Boom, instant cash injection. Stop scrolling for fun. Scroll for profit. There are apps right now begging you to list your stuff. Post 1 item today. Watch how fast someone bites. That first sale hits like caffeine. Don't overthink. Pick up a weekend gig. 2 nights of delivery runs or rideshare and you're already to $150 ahead. It's not about loving the grind. It's about stacking your freedom fund. The moment you see that first $500 sitting in your account, something clicks. You stop feeling broke. You start feeling powerful. That's momentum, and once it starts, you won't want to stop. Your emergency fund is not your fun money. It's not for concerts, gadgets, or spontaneous weekend trips. This is your financial shield, not your entertainment budget. Keep it in a separate savings account like it's locked in a vault. No debit card attached. No easy access. If you can swipe it, you'll spend it. Only touch it when life hits hard, car repairs, medical bills, or job loss. Not because your favorite band announced a tour. If it's not survival level serious, hands off. Discipline isn't about restriction. It's about choosing what matters most. Protecting your emergency fund makes you feel powerful, not deprived. Future you will look back and say, glad I guarded it. Just because you've built your emergency fund doesn't mean you stop. Every time life hits and you use it, refill it. That habit alone separates the financially stressed from the financially stable. Got a tax refund? Side hustle money? Instead of blowing it on random stuff, feed the fund. Future you will thank you for being the responsible one today. If you treat your emergency fund like a living engine, it'll protect you for life. The goal isn't just to build it once, it's to keep it alive. Because without this habit, one emergency can wipe out months of work. But with it, you become untouchable, calm in chaos. Let's recap. We talked about why an emergency fund matters, how to define your goal, automate your savings, cut smart, earn fast, protect your fund, and keep it growing. Building an emergency fund. Fast isn't about luck. It's about small, consistent, intentional moves that protect your future. If this video helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe to Cash Plan with John, and share this with a friend who needs that wake-up call. Drop a comment below. How much are you challenging yourself to save this month? Let's get real and talk in the comments. This is Cash Plan with John. Your journey to financial freedom starts here. Stay smart, stay focused, and remember, your future self is counting on you. See you in the next one.